Joining me now here at Mikron, I've got double trouble. I've got Wenke and Jean-François, who I'll speak to first of all. Jean-François, thank you very much indeed for joining us on the show today. Tell me a little bit about Mikron, if you will.
So Mikron is a company which is now more than 100 years old. So we are making precision machinery, and since about more than 45 years, we are also doing assembly machines, which means that our customer coming to us with a device such as an inhaler, pen injector, auto injector, and they ask us to make it an automatic or semi-automatic assembly of that device. That's our core business.
Okay, whereabouts are you based?
We are based in Switzerland, so the headquarters is in Switzerland. We are about more than 700 employees. Okay. 400 in Switzerland. We are now also set up in Denver, in Singapore, Shanghai, Berlin, and now also in Lithuania and Kaunas.
And we will chat with Wenke in just a moment about here in India. But just give us a flavour of the conversations and some of the equipment that you've brought with you to this year's CPhI and P-MEC India.
Okay, yeah, this year we have not brought the full machines because it's quite huge. Yeah. So we just brought the parts of it. And here what you can see here is, I would say, it's one of the core pieces of machines is the pick and place unit. Here the way is just to show that it's something which is proven, stable, and which will handle your production for now many years. That's the goal of that one, because I say the machines maybe is 2 or 3 meter high and long, and it's too big.
Well, do you know what? There are a lot of pick and place machines around the floor here at P-MEC. I'm not sure I've seen the inside of one. Which is actually quite exciting for me. I'm not going to lie. What is it that you would say sets apart the equipment that you produce in comparison to your competitors?
I think that our huge experience with two bays. One is our standardized base machines, yeah, which is very proven and stable, and the other one is our huge expertise in complex process integration. Okay. So we have brought also here our touch screen panel. When you see all our very complex processes, because making complex processes on very low speed, it's complicated. It can be handled by a lot of companies. But making it at high speed, that's very challenging. And that way we are very good.
Good to hear it. Hold that thought, Jean-François, because I'm going to come over here and have a quick chat with Wenke. So tell me about Mikron's footprint here in India and in this region.
Yeah, from Asian market is considered, India is our important market. So the first machine we have delivered here is in 2010, but we have reached here we have been here since 2005. Okay. So from 2010 onwards, it's like an upward graph. Yeah. There are a lot of machines delivered, close to 20 machines. Okay. But our main industry is a pharma industry, and the two customers who have devices exporting to regulated markets like US and Europe. And in each year, we are seeing an increasing number of customer base, and we hope to see that increase for many reasons, because world is now moving towards the devices for self-medication devices. Yeah. So that's the reason we would, and the customers mainly prefer Mikron because the stringent regulatory requirements of the regulated markets, the validations, the GAMFI, the documentations. Yeah. So this is very important when it comes to machine perspective, not just functioning. So that's how we, Mikron, who is an expert in assembly machines, so we have delivering very reliable quality machines to our customers. It's very good.
Terrific to hear, and like you say, exciting growth for you in the region. Jean-François, we'll just come to you before we wrap up. Tell me, CPhI India, this has been a good platform for you to continue spreading the word about what Mikron is able to provide to its customers?
Yeah, I think it was a good platform because that all the main major pharma companies are present here, and is one place where we can make networking, okay, and build our brand awareness, because for sure, so Mikron in Europe maybe is more known in the US than in India. So for us, it's a very good platform to build that, yes, for sure.
Terrific. Listen, it's been great to talk to you over the last few minutes. Jean-François and Wenke, thank you very much indeed for joining us here on the show.